Hey everyone, Dale here. So I haven't done a video in a little bit, but I wanted to show this little trailer here I just picked up, or the guy dropped off. It's a 4x8 utility trailer conversion into a box trailer with a little roof and racks on it. Now I thought it was a little bigger, but this is the size of it. Got it for 300 bucks and he delivered it. So what I'm planning on doing is probably putting it in the backyard just for storage. There's no paperwork on it, but there is a VIN number sticker down there. So I'm hoping that I can go to the insurance place and hopefully find the insurance or paperwork for it and reinstate it for the road. If not, I'll just use it for around the backyard for quadding around or just keeping stuff dry in it. But yeah, it's kind of made out of some metal. It's got a bit of a peaked roof. Someone put these on here for a canoe or something. It's got the wiring. Looks like the hubs need a little work. Got tape on it. What lights work as far as I know. It's got a bathtub thing on it for a door, and you just pull this up and pull it out. But I'll show you inside here. Got a couple extra tires. You know, for 300 bucks, you can't really buy the lumber for that. So I thought it was a good idea for 300 bucks, and he delivered it. You know, that way I can move it around in the backyard instead of having something stationary. Big tires on it for a little trailer. These look like they slide in to that bracket. But yeah, metal roof. I don't think that's gonna leak. It's solid. It's got a 1 7/8 ball on it, I believe. I don't really understand why it's angled in the front, but maybe for aerodynamic, I don't know. Yeah, so that's with that removed. Just sits in there. And then you've got your tie downs in it. Tie downs, looks like 4x8 sheet of plywood. I don't know what he put on here for these. These look like to hold the door on. There's a latch up here. That looks like it's made out of plastic or something so it doesn't rub. But yeah, like I say, for 300 bucks, you know, you have to get an axle and build it and everything. For 300 bucks, I can store some my Ryobi tools in here, garden tools for the summer, and then in the winter time I can put you know, stuff that's for the winter in here. It doesn't get all rained on or anything. So I might paint it inside, clean it up a bit. And I may even extend it. Or, it looks like I could lift the roof off too. Yeah, it looks like I can lift the roof off. What I might do is lift the roof off, take those screws out, and extend the roof up another maybe 2 feet so that I can stand in it, because it's only about 5 feet tall in the center. But yeah, kind of a cool little homemade idea, you know. Not the best, but it'll work, you know, for what I need it for. So anyway guys, hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe here. And catch you on the next video. Ciao for now guys. Thanks for watching.